one section.
Sir, we don't know that. Sir, what you are talking about?
Dielectric material inserted partly and completely between the space between two charges.
B2 you have
Sir, not
discussed.
that.
No, sir.
So means I have done in one section perhaps.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So again I will repeat the same. Means dielectric material is inserted. Okay, partly, completely filled up by the space between two charges. Already I have told this thing.
Sir, in B2 you have told both sets.
Then beauty it's done.
Okay. Now listen. Again, I am repeating the same thing. If the space between two charges is completely filled up by the dielectric, the electrostatic force of interaction decreases. Okay, by putting dielectric. Now the one section I have done is if the space between two charges is partly filled up by the dielectric, other section I have not done. Now again I am repeating same thing. Listen. If charge between the space between two charges is partly filled up by the dielectric, partly filled up means suppose this is your Q1 charge. Now this is your Q2 charge. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So the dielectric this distance suppose not completely filled up by the dielectric, partly filled up. And this is your dielectric constant K. Suppose this is your X. From here to here, suppose it is R. Okay. Partly filled up by the dielectric. So to find out the electrostatic interaction, we need to find out the Coulomb force between two charges. First, you have to convert the thickness of dielectric. This thickness X is what? In air, means its equivalent thickness in air is what? If thickness of dielectric slab is your X, its equivalent thickness in air or vacuum is what? Because your right part, this part is your vacuum air. That's why you have to convert its equivalent thickness in air or vacuum. Correct. So its equivalent thickness in air and vacuum is how you calculate very easy. First, suppose two charge, force of interaction between two charge. Suppose F equal to 1 by 4 pi. This is general formula. Q1 Q2 suppose by R naught square. Okay. This is in a vacuum. If a dielectric material is inserted, so the force of interaction will decrease. But again, we will try to keep the same force of interaction, same magnitude. So you have to change both, because if dielectric material is inserted completely, the force of interaction Q1, Q2 by this value. If dielectric substance is inserted between two charges, and dielectric substance is completely filled up. Okay, then the force of interaction 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught K. K is your dielectric constant. Q1, Q2 by R naught square. Okay, if we keep the same force, here force decreases, but you have to maintain the same force. If you want to maintain the same magnitude of force, this is F, now it is F dash. F equal to F dash, definitely you have to change this way. Because this is the same, this is the same value, here is the same value. Correct? 1 by 4 by epsilon, 1 by 4 by, but here multiplier is that will be constant. So if you want to make the same magnitude of force, to keep the force constant, If equal to a dash, definitely you have to change this separation. If I will make both are equal, I will change the separation. Initially it was R naught. Now you think it is R. Then both will be equal. Otherwise you can make them equal. Correct? So equating these two, so we got R naught equal to root KR. ये relation आएगा. What it implies? So R naught means the separation in vacuum. R is the separation in the dielectric medium. So if R is the separation in dielectric medium, R naught is the separation in vacuum. Now same principle will use. This is the thickness of dielectric X. So you have to put here X. So it's equivalent in vacuum will come R naught. Same thing. So if X is the thickness of dielectric and partly filled up by the dielectric material between two charges placed here, then the equivalent part, equivalent in here, suppose X naught is your Kx. This is the equivalent. So now effective distance from here to here, this is our equivalent part in vacuum. Already this part in vacuum, or here to here it is R minus X. Correct? So total distance or total separation, the separation between two charges now, your R naught equal to root Kx plus R minus X. Yeah. Remember, this type of question will come in entrance exam. It will not come in the school exam. Entrance exam, if partly two charges, space between two charges is filled up partly by dielectric material, dielectric substance, how will you calculate the Coulomb force of interaction? First you have to find out the equivalent thickness of slab, dielectric material, dielectric substance in air is what? So its equivalent part in air is value. Now it is converted to air or vacuum. Here this is also air or vacuum. So total is your root K sigma part is equivalent, and this part not total effective separation between two charges. So now Coulomb force general formula is your F equal to, okay, general formula I have to use. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Don't use K here. So already it is equivalent separation is here. Total separation is here in terms of equivalent. So into Q1, Q2 divided by root Kx plus R minus X is squared. This is your force of interaction. This is space between two charges is partly filled up by the dielectric substance and dielectric material. Correct?
So you are saying dielectric, sir, partly filled by?
Dielectric substance, dielectric material, or diapole. So over for both the section, over this concept.
Sir, what was K? Sir, K.
K dielectric constant already I have told. In both the section.
No, sir, not.
Not. I have told or not, a space between two charges is completely filled up by the dielectric.
Yes.
Saying no? In general class, what is the force of interaction? Coulomb force. Yes, tell me.
Sir, in our section it was not told.
Oh,
Yes,
No,
sir.
Oh, one section. Okay. So then next I will completely fill up. If I am not told, then write down. Case, this is suppose case 1, case 2. This is case 1. Okay. Next case 2, write down. Case 2. If space between two charges is completely filled up by dielectric. If space between two charges is completely filled up by dielectric. Space between two charges is completely filled up by the dielectric. Listen. Case 2. Completely filled up by the dielectric. Q1. This is Q2. Now space between two charges completely filled up by the dielectric. The dielectric substance, first you think, what is the dielectric substance? Dielectric metal, what? Dielectric is, in sodium chloride, ionic bond exists between sodium and chlorine. If sodium chloride is put in water or is placed in water, sodium ion, chlorine ion separate and the ionic bond there breaks. So water is a dielectric. Water is a substance which reduces the electrostatic force of interaction between sodium ion and chlorine ion. Sodium plus chlorine minus ion, the ionic bond is your electrostatic in origin. The lines of force start from sodium ion, lines of force end at the chlorine ion. But when sodium chloride is placed or put in water, the ionic bond there breaks. Sodium, chlorine both separate from each other. So it signifies that water is your dielectric substance. Water reduces force of attraction between sodium and chlorine. Okay. So dielectric substance, really dielectric is an insulator, but it is not a perfect insulator. Dielectric is a part, you can say, it is not a perfect insulator, it is not a 100% insulator. I will teach it in detail. I will teach in detail in separate topic for dielectric. Okay, just now you remember, if dielectric substance, dielectric material is placed between two charges, the force of interaction decreases. So because electrostatic force depends on the medium. So now force of interaction F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge Q1 Q2 by R square. Since it depends on the medium, you have to multiply here K. K is your dielectric constant. Okay. So if there is no dielectric, then what is the force? Force is 4 by epsilon naught into Q1 Q2 by R square. If no dielectric, if there is dielectric, then this is the force. If you will take a ratio F by F naught, so it is your 1 by K. Means force equal to F naught by K. Means if dielectric substance is placed between two charges, force is reduced. How much it reduced? It reduced by this amount, if not by K1 by K. So electrostatic force of interaction decreases. Okay. But remember, other name of a dielectric, other name, relative permittivity. Dielectric constant, other name is your relative permittivity. Remember, the other name of dielectric constant, relative permittivity. So another relation, remember, the product of permittivity of free space. Here, you look at this. Permittivity of free space and relative permittivity. Dielectric other name is your relative permittivity. Permittivity of free space. This one is your relative permittivity. The product is called your permittivity of medium. Very important. The product of permittivity of free space, relative permittivity is equal to permittivity of medium. Okay. Or this is also your K. Other than dielectric constant K is called relative permittivity. So now the question, medical question coming related to this relation. So this is our 1 by K. Matlab 1 by relative permittivity is something, or it is equal to, if you put relative permittivity value here 1 by epsilon naught, so it is equal to epsilon naught by epsilon. Also correct. Okay. So this relation, well, questions are coming. The medical related to this. So this is the force of interaction between two charges, no dielectric. This is the force of interaction between two charges. If dielectric is considered, this ratio is what? Equal to this value. Also equal to what? Equal to this by this. The permittivity of free space divided by permittivity medium. Here permittivity, the name is given. The ability that medium, the capacity of medium to allow the electric lines of force. The name is given permittivity. Permit the electric lines of force from positive charge to negative charge. Okay, that's why it is called permittivity. Here the positive both charges repel, no problem. Lines of force, okay, passes through the medium. Medium the ability to allow the lines of force. Correct. So this is the basic thing about dielectrics are considered.